Dear students, so some of the chapters we have already covered, chapter 3, we have covered a lot of things, but still there are a lot of things remain in the chapter 3 which is not possible to do right now in the video. So we are just skipping those topics which are hard to um, explain in the video. So that's why I'm skipping some of the topics of chapter number 3, and I'm going to start our chapter number 4 right away. So chapter 4, which is the magnetic effects of current. So there are two terms basically in this particular topic. One is magnetic and another is current. So you have an idea about what current is. So current is basically the flow of charges in a conductor is known as current. So if a charge is flowing from one end to the another end of a conductor, so that corresponds or that produces a current. So how this current is related to this magnetic property, so which we are going to discuss in this particular chapter. So there was a scientist, Oersted, named as Oersted. So he observed in the 19th century, late 19th century, what he observed was uh, in a current carrying conductor, or basically if a current is flowing in a conductor, so what he did was he suddenly or accidentally placed a magnetic compass. Suppose this is my I want to draw this particular wire as this way. So this is the wire which is going inside this paper. So this is current carrying wire which is going inside the paper, the same wire I am taking. So what he did was he placed a compass, magnetic compass, nearby this particular current element. So what he found was this particular compass seems to deflect when he placed in different direction around this wire. Suppose he placed around this wire. Okay, I want to draw a clear picture here. Suppose this is a current carrying wire. The current is going inside this paper. So he placed a compass around this particular current carrying wire. So what he found was the compass get deflected this way, in another position it get deflected in this way, in another position the compass get deflected in this direction, in this direction, in this direction. So at every particular position the magnetic compass gives a unit direction of the gives a unit direction. That means so the movement or the deflection of the magnetic compass gives an evidence or signifies, what it signifies is the presence of magnetic field. That means what he concluded or what he observed was, if there is a current carrying wire this way, if there is a current carrying wire, so there is some magnetic field which is represented by B. I represent this magnetic field by B. So what he concluded or observed was, in an current carrying wire, in and around current carrying wire, there is a magnetic field associated with this particular current carrying wire. So current and magnetic field are closely related. Or in another word I can write, current carrying wire produces magnetic field around them. So this is the introductory discussion of the topic which we are going to discuss. So in this particular topic which we are going to discuss this particular topic, that is current and magnetic field, how magnetic field is produced by the current. So that's it for today. So tomorrow we are going to discuss the core of this particular chapter. So thank you.